na siya.
Talaga? Ayun na, go, go, go.
Hi! I decided na hindi muna mag-vlog this time like yung usual na ginagawa ko, such as yapping and being so talkative sa harap ng camera. Super gusto ko muna mag-focus sa family trip namin and to this moment. Kasi when I vlog, minsan nakakalimutan kong enjoy ng sobra yung moment. Kasi mas nagpa-focus ako sa content ko. So, this time, I really wanna enjoy the moment with my family. Pero syempre, I made sure to capture moments on film. Hindi lang para sa content, but also for the memories. Para pag tumanda na ako or kahit kailan, I can look back and watch this moment. And I dedicate this vlog to my family. I just hope na we're complete right now. We stopped over muna and decided to buy to eat kasi super nagutom ako sa biyahe and hindi kasi ako nakapag-breakfast.
Oo, pero hindi na. Lang yan. Ano naman eh, ano naman
We just talked and napagkasunduan naming lahat na isa sa pinakamasayang part ng travel is yung biyahe talaga. And we really love na we are together in the same small space habang nagkakwentuhan about life. Yay! We are here na sa dagat and sumakay kami ng bangka kasi yung beach namin is sa island pa. And oh my gosh, I really love the view from here.
Ay, ang daming corals, oh.
Ala, oo nga!
Ganda!
Hello, Nano!
Pasok kayo sa Bataan sa Hermosa. Mayroon doon.
Finally, after 6 hours of ride, nakarating na kami and look how energetic we are pa rin. We really like dancing randomly kapag masaya kami.
Ay, ako na pala.
Kari kayo. Bakit parang mabuligtad eh? Ayoko na, B! Ay, really? Ay, parang di masaya dito. Kasi kung pinipiliin mo sa amin. Ay, ako.
So, we play around muna while waiting kay Ate Shira para mag-swimming.
Ay, tama! Uy, ayoko na, B!
And yes, we are always like this, yeah, Shane. Nag-wrestling randomly. I heard this quote and it says that One of the most bittersweet feelings has to be when you realize na you're going to miss a moment while you're still living it. And that's what I'm feeling right now. But it's okay.
May mga starfish daw here, so maghahanap ako.
Hala! Oh my gosh! Look!
They're the ones that kept me breathing.
Nostalgia is also a proof that I'm living a life worth remembering. And what a blessing it is to have people and places worth missing, even when it sucks to miss them. And how lucky I am to yearn for my own memories. Look at what I found. It's alive!
Is gonna need it to get to where you are. The other half might see what
Ten o'clock na ng gabi and we decided to have a coffee muna and magstay sa labas. Kasi, look, super ganda here. OMG. Super liwanag pa and super mahangin din.
Nagkala mo na. Dadan! Uy, Beo, tignan mo! Ate! Tama na!
Watching this made me realize how I love my family so much. More than anything. I don't say this much to them, but I'm sure na I would choose them over anyone. And in another universe, I will choose my parents and my siblings forever. I always get emotional speaking about them. I just love them so dearly. I hope na if ever na they watch this vlog, sana hindi nila tapusin kasi for sure aasa rin nila ako. But whatever. Umuwi na sila now and nagpaiwan muna ako dito kasi super lamig here and super ganda ng place and feeling ko na-touch na ako dito kasi mahilig ako sa nightlife and mahilig din ako sa beach, so this is so perfect to me. Now lang ako naka-experience ng nightlife sa dagat and super tagal ko na siyang gusto ma-experience, kaya ayun, ayoko pa umuwi, so i-enjoy ko na muna siya na habang andito pa ako. Look, lagi siyang lumalapit sa akin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. Pero natatakot akong hawakan siya kasi baka kagatin niya ako. Kasi parang di siya friendly eh. And yung buntot niya hindi nagalaw. Hello! Ah, lamig. Ang sarap na. Magluto ako ng sangag kasi parang wala pa pala akong masyadong ambag sa kanila sa trip namin. So, lulutuan ko na lang sila with love. The sad thing about traveling is going home. So, I guess you're gonna end yung vlog. Thank you guys for watching. Bye bye.